All right, so it's Sunday, January 28th. Yesterday I was working on the seed starting bench all day and got it going last night. Actually left it on all last night just to see how it would do. Came out periodically to check on it. So let's take a look at what it looks like here. So it's got, again, I kind of pointed out this Inkbird controller. I know the video is kind of making this look weird. It's solid if it's not being done via video. So the top number tells you right now the soil is 69.9 degrees. So that probe right there is telling it it's almost right at that set temperature. So the heating light is on. Once it hits 70, that should kick off. And then it goes through its own cycle and kind of lets it cool down a couple degrees before it kicks back on again. So what I'm going to do now is just hook up my iPad and just, use time lapse because I want to see just how far that thing is cycling down. Today's a great day to do this. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, but it's cloudy outside. You can probably hear it's raining a little bit. So it's going to be cloudy and kind of dreary all day. So it's a great day to do this because the sun's not really going to impact the temperature in here. It is just about 50 degrees in here, which is almost exactly what it is outside, and it's going to stay like that for the next few hours. So now's a great time to try and do a little time lapse here and see if we can kind of capture just how far it'll go down and how quickly it comes back up. But so far I'm pretty impressed with this. It looks like it's going to work out well. I came out here a few times last night and it got probably down into the mid 40s at some point, mid 45, 46, something like that, and this seemed to be doing just fine, keeping it up at around that 70 degrees. I did put some other stuff on here just to help it out. So I had those extra pieces of insulation I put down here just because I don't have seed trays already covering all that right now. I want to keep as much of that heat in, but I'm going to go out today and buy more seed flats, different size cells depending on what kind of plants I want to do. So I'll be doing that today. It's a great day to go out and buy some stuff as opposed to work out here with it being so nasty out.